Alright folks, so today we're having a little bit of a walk around Great Yarmouth. We're not going to cover the whole area, but just we're going to start down at Boating Lake. Show you the seas over there, and we're going to walk along the Boating Lake down to the pier, and we're going to head to the Sea Life Centre. It's always an interesting walk through the gardens and the Boating Lake. Do enjoy coming down here. It's always quite peaceful. And if you're wondering why I started this end, folks, it's because this is where I always park my car, at the bottom of the Boating Lake. And you've got a little cafe, Amiki. That's what it actually looks like, Boating Lake itself. So there's the first significant hotel as we're walking along the seafront, the Imperial Hotel. There's quite a few old hotels here in Great Yarmouth. We get quite a few of these on the seafront, little cafes. So this is the pier here at Great Yarmouth. You can see it's quite a big pier. And it's famous here in Yarmouth for its donkey rides, cash only. If you want to have a go at it, folks, it's cash only. 8.5 stone max, it's £4 per ride. So here's the old Empire building, live music on there. Weekends 9 PM. And we've got the Crazy Golf. You fancy a game of Crazy Golf? It's always very popular here in Great Yarmouth. Bar, looks like how they're refurbing it. The Tower Bar here in Yarmouth. And then you've got the Buddha Club. There's people in the tower bar, so it's open. This is where the original jetty was. It was constructed in 1560 for the purpose of landing fish and importing and exporting goods. During the Napoleonic Wars, the fleet was frequently assembled in the sheltered waters of Great Yarmouth. Officers, men and stores were transported to and from their ships from the jetty, this exact jetty. Lord Nelson visited this exact place at least 3 times. In 1801, embarked from the jetty to sail with the fleet for the Battle of Copenhagen, and after the battle he disembarked here to visit the wounded in the Naval Hospital in Great Yarmouth. So this is the big wheel here in Yarmouth, and it stands 50 metres high. In comparison, the London Eye is 130 metres, so a big difference, but yeah, it's still quite big. Big on this, isn't it? So this is the Royal Hotel. Definitely seen better days. And here's the Harry Ramsdens in Great Yarmouth. So that's it, folks. We're going to end it here. So this is a quick look down Regent Road, which is a big pedestrianised area. Unfortunately, I did not get time today to go down there, so the upload will end here at this part of town. So just want to say a massive thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed today's upload and the walk around Sea Life Centre. Thanks to the Gold members for supporting the channel. And please make sure you subscribe for more videos and check out the playlist. Thank you and goodbye.